Hello and welcome to A Good Stir. This is Julie and today I'm going to show you how to make cilantro lime rice. The recipe is in the description box, so grab your ingredients and let's get started. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat and add 1 chopped garlic clove. Cook for about a minute until the garlic is fragrant. Add 1 cup of rinsed Basmati rice. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the rice gets toasty. Add 1½ cups of chicken broth. Bring that to a boil and reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the rice is tender. When the rice is done, remove the pot from the heat, but keep it covered. Let it sit for an additional 10 minutes. Add 1½ to 2 tablespoons of lime juice, ½ teaspoon of lime zest, and ½ cup of chopped cilantro, and give that a good stir. Now it's ready to be served. This cilantro lime rice adds a burst of flavor to any dish while remaining simple and easy to make. I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.